Let me save you some time. If you're still watching videos telling you to start a faceless YouTube channel, sell t-shirts with Midjourney, or have ChatGPT write ebooks for Amazon, you're already late. Why? Because everyone and their grandma is doing that. And let's be honest, some of them are doing it better. But today, I'm giving you something different. 8 AI business ideas for 2025 that will actually pay you. Moneybag, not theoretical. Brain, not overhyped. Upward trend, not copy-paste nonsense. Just profitable, weirdly untapped, and ready to launch right now. So if you're ready to stop watching what everyone else is doing and actually get paid to do something smarter, like this video, subscribe, and let's build something no one else sees coming. The truth about AI businesses: AI isn't just some tech buzzword anymore. It's leverage. It's cheap labor with no HR drama. And for those who use it right, it's pure money printing potential. But here's the problem. Everyone is copying the same stuff. AI blogs, AI TikToks, AI drop shipping, AI thumbnails. It's no longer creative. It's crowded. So instead of shouting over the crowd, what if you went where nobody else is shouting? Let me show you 8 underrated AI business models that are easy to start, light on competition, and yes, they can pay you handsomely in 2025 and beyond. AI dating profile consultant. Swipe economy is real and people are terrible at selling themselves. Here's what smart people are doing. Using ChatGPT to write spicy, engaging bios, using Midjourney to create irresistible profile pics that don't scream. AI generated, charging $50 to $200 for a full profile makeover. Offer A/B testing for bios or image sets. You just became the conversion rate optimizer of Tinder. Profit potential? One guy is clearing $3,000 per month part-time doing this on Reddit plus Fiverr. And you? You don't even need to leave your room. Local business AI automation agency. Think small. Like pizza shop or dental office small. Here's the gold. They don't know AI. They don't want to know AI. But they'll pay you to make their life easier. Pitch them. ChatGPT-powered customer service bots, email responders that actually close leads, AI-written web content that ranks on Google, automated review requests via Zapier. You become their digital wizard, and they pay you monthly. Easy $500 to $2,000 per client. Bonus. Almost zero competition locally. You could own your whole city's AI transformation. Romance writer empire. No, seriously. The Kindle romance scene is a goldmine and you don't have to write a single word. Here's how. Use ChatGPT or Claude to write spicy novellas in under 2 hours. Midjourney does the covers. ElevenLabs gives you AI audiobooks. Upload to Amazon KDP. Collect royalties. Flying money. People are doing this anonymously and making $5,000 plus per month with multiple pen names. Worried about ethics or originality? Train the model on your own tone, use editors, and you've got a scalable content machine. LinkedIn ghostwriting for executives. Every founder, coach, and thought leader wants to be visible on LinkedIn. But writing daily posts? Scheduling them? Dealing with the algorithm? They hate it. You step in and say, I'll turn you into a LinkedIn god, using AI. ChatGPT drafts their weekly content. Shield app gives analytics. Zapier auto posts. You charge $1,000, $5,000 per month. Boom. 1 client equals rent. Get 3? Quit your job. iFitness or nutrition chatbot. Forget launching a full app. Here's the lazy genius version. Train ChatGPT on fitness or meal plan data. Plug it into Chatbase or VoiceFlow. Host it as your own branded AI assistant. Market it to fitness influencers, coaches, or just launch your own. Moneybag. Monetize. One-time fee for access. Monthly membership bundle with PDF guides. People will pay $9 to $29 per month for something that answers, "What should I eat today?" faster than Google ever could. Survival guide generator. We're living in the age of climate anxiety, blackouts, floods, and should I learn how to filter river water, energy? You build a site that lets users select their city. AI builds a custom emergency checklist. You upsell them gear via affiliate links. Collision. Combine fear plus usefulness plus automation. You got a viral site. Best part? It's evergreen. People will never stop Googling what to do in a blackout in New York. AI therapy journal generator. Mental health isn't a trend. It's a movement. You create a journal product that sends AI-generated prompts based on emotion tracking, gives summaries of emotional patterns, tracks mood, plus offers reflection questions. You can sell it as a Notion template, create a mini SaaS, build a community around journaling. Use ChatGPT plus Tally plus Zapier. You're done in a weekend. Charge $29 for lifetime access or $7 per month. People pay for calm. Resume roast and career blueprint. Let's be real. Most resumes are boring, vague, and full of team player nonsense. You build a service that roasts bad resumes, rewrites them using ChatGPT, creates custom career paths based on market trends, prepares interview Q&As with AI scoring, marketed on TikTok with brutally honest AI resume reviews. Sell upgrades starting at $39. Necktie career clarity equals valuable. And if your advice lands them a $60,000 job, your $39 price tag suddenly feels cheap. So there you go, 8 AI business ideas that aren't saturated, aren't boring, and yes, will actually pay you. The only question is, right finger, will you watch this and move on? Or will you actually do something with it? Because this isn't 2020 anymore. In 2025, you either build with AI, or you get buried by it. So if you're ready to build smarter, earn faster, and outpace the copycats, collision like this video brain, subscribe for no fluff AI money strategies, speech balloon, and comment, I'm building quietly. If you want to fly under the radar while everyone else fights over the same scraps. Because fortune doesn't just favor the bold. It favors the ones who stopped watching and started building.